Hi guys, I'm Susanne Neff, and today I wanted to talk to you about different frequencies and how I observe them in my body. So what's interesting, if I do a ritual or whatever and the ritual is really good, then if I'm sitting very still, then I can feel like the energy spiraling up, like similar to what is described usually when you describe the kundalini rising, that it's like a spiral going up, the energy rising in my body. And then I can feel my body really starting to move, like either clockwise or counterclockwise in circles. And always the circles are getting bigger. And I also wanted to try what happens, for example, if I listen to mantras of gurus or whatever, what happens then? And when I do this, it's interesting because sometimes it starts spiraling, and then if they change something in the tone or something, then it starts going the other direction or it starts interrupting. So for me, it's a sign that the energy flow is not continuously the same, that something is there that's interrupting it. Because if I, for example, listen to a recording about hertz frequencies, and it's a good recording, then like my body starts to spiral more and more and more, and it's continuously in one direction, and it's rising. But if it's a very bad recording, then I get a headache, and like I have no effect except for my headache. So for me, this is my body telling me how good this frequency is for my body at the moment. And of course you could say, oh, this recording where you get a headache, probably it's also good for you, it's breaking through some patterns or whatever, and it will help you also. But yeah, for the moment I'm not so keen on having headaches, so for the moment I just stick with the frequencies that make me feel good. And the interesting thing is that I also had this effect when I did the kundalini yoga. I also have this effect that the energy spiral is going upwards, and the same as when I do a ritual or when I listen to sound frequencies of a certain hertz frequency. So yeah, let me know what your effect is in the body if you listen to frequencies, to sound frequencies, if you do rituals or kundalini yoga. And yeah,